Have you ever found yourself gearing up for an immersive VR session with your Quest 2, only to discover that your faithful battery pack is out of reach because the cable got chewed up? Yes, pets do that, and sometimes kids do too. But fret not, because there's a perfect, hassle-free solution that can get you back into your virtual worlds in no time. The extra replacement USB cable for the NIVRANA battery pack, tailor-made for the Quest 2. What makes this replacement USB cable a must-have accessory isn't just its role as a lifeline for your VR sessions. It's designed to be a carbon copy of the USB cable that originally comes with the NIVRANA battery pack, ensuring a seamless compatibility and experience. With a length of 16 inches or 40 centimeters, it strikes the perfect balance between freedom of movement and convenience, keeping your gameplay sessions untethered and uninterrupted. But the real game changer is its support for high-speed charging. In the realm of VR, where every moment not spent in-game feels like a missed opportunity, the importance of quick, efficient charging cannot be overstated. This cable ensures that your Quest 2 headset is powered up and ready to transport you to your favorite virtual destinations without long waits, making it an invaluable asset for avid gamers. Furthermore, the focus. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.